Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can auto-generate SSL certificate for your domain names. Okay, and we're going to be doing that through cpanel. Alright, so if you have hosting, you also have cpanel. Most of the hosting providers give you cpanel after registration. Okay, so you have cpanel. So right now, go and log into your cpanel accounts. So I'll click to log into my cpanel, and here we are. Please type SSL, okay, and then click on SSL status. So you click on that, and this is the SSL generator. This is where you generate your SSL certificates. What happens is cron job will do the work for you, and SSL certificates, they expire. So when they expire, this SSL generator will auto generate it for you. But if you order web hosting and it's brand new or a domain name, you can have the process to make it quicker for you. So you just click here and then click on run auto SSL. Okay, run auto SSL. It will go ahead and install SSL certificate on all your main domain names and subdomains. Okay, so that's how you auto generate SSL certificate inside cpanel. I hope this video has been informative. I'll see you in the next lecture. Thanks. Bye bye.